Ever wondered why your bank account yawns every time you check it? It's not just about the numbers, it's about the neurons. Let's dive deep into the twisted psyche of money management. Imagine this. You see a shiny new gadget on sale. Your brain screams, "Buy it now," before your wallet even has time to protest. This, my friends, is the classic case of instant gratification bias. We're wired to want that quick dopamine hit from a new purchase, but our future selves pay the price. To combat this, try the 30-day rule. If you still want it after a month, then maybe, just maybe, it's worth your hard-earned cash. Next up, the sunk cost fallacy. Ever kept pouring money into a failing investment or a bottomless pit of a project just because you've already spent so much? Here's the thing. Just because you've invested time or money doesn't mean you should throw good after bad. Cut your losses and move on. Think of it as financial triage: save what you can and let go of what you can't. The confirmation bias. You've decided Dogecoin is the next big thing, so you only read articles praising its virtues, ignoring the chorus of financial analysts singing a different tune. To bypass this, actively seek out opposing views. Your portfolio will thank you for the diversity of thought, even if your ego might not. Then there's the loss aversion. The fear of loss looms larger than the joy of gain. You might cling to safe, low-yield investments because the thought of losing money keeps you up at night. But here's a little secret. Sometimes, not risking is the biggest risk of all. Balance your portfolio with a mix of conservative and speculative investments. Remember, no pain, no gain, but also no unnecessary pain. Don't forget about anchoring bias. You see a sweater marked down from $200 to $50, and suddenly, it feels like you've struck gold. But would you have bought it for $50 if it was originally priced at $60? Probably not. Retailers know this trick, so next time, ignore the original price tag. Focus on the actual value to you. And let's talk about mental accounting. You might treat money differently based on where it comes from or where it's supposed to go. Birthday cash? That's for fun. But why not use it to pay off debt? Money is money, no matter its origin. Treat all funds with the same respect and purpose. Lastly, the FOMO, fear of missing out. Crypto going up? Everyone's investing in real estate? You don't want to be left behind, right? But jumping on every trend can lead to regret. Instead, stick to your strategy. Invest in what you understand and believe in, not just because everyone else is doing it. So, how do you overcome these biases? Start with awareness. Recognize when your brain is playing tricks on you. Then, practice mindfulness in your financial decisions. Ask yourself, is this decision based on what I know or what I feel? Educate yourself. The more you know about finance, the less likely you are to fall for these psychological traps. Read, learn, and maybe even laugh at the absurdity of some of these biases. After all, if you can't laugh at your own financial foibles, who can? And remember, the journey to mastering your money isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Each step you take towards understanding your psychological biases is a step towards financial freedom. So, next time your brain tries to outsmart you with its ancient wiring, just chuckle, acknowledge it, and choose wisely. Because in the end, mastering your mind is the first step to mastering your wealth.